Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin in the weekend, kind of like a weekend update. I'll keep you updated on it tomorrow as well, alright? So just to get you through the weekend. And so far, today we've also seen some nice movement. WorldCoin is moving up quite a bit, Fetch is moving up quite a bit, but I wanted to focus on Bitcoin in this video, of course. But that's obviously also very important if you want to trade altcoins. So that's what we'll be talking about. I mean, yesterday in the end was quite bullish, even after we got a bit of a pullback here. But in general, like if you get a big bullish breakout, which we had above 61,000, usually a spike like this is actually quite bullish if we're able to hold certain key levels, which we did. So right now we are slowly recovering. We saw a little bit of a de-risking right here in going into the weekend, which is normal. And right now in general, when we're talking about market circumstances, what I would expect is that right now the volume is still quite high, but the volume is rapidly declining, and that's probably going to continue into tomorrow afternoon at least. So what that also means, before we talk a little bit more about the fundamentals relevant for Bitcoin and Bitcoin itself technically, which is obviously very relevant as well, I do want to let you know that usually when the volume is low like this, let's imagine the scenario that we actually do get some sort of an escalation in the Middle East again, that Israel strikes back, for example. Then due to the low volume and due to the thin order books which you usually have in the weekend, we can have some big volatility. All right, so I still think, and I'll tell you as well, technically I do think we've done some great things here. I've always talked about 62,400. That I really think we need to break above that to turn bullish. So I don't think we're bullish. I do think we are making good steps towards being bullish. But all of this can turn around in one candle if we actually do get bearish news due to the circumstances and due to the volume. So know that, all right? Be prepared for that. It's the worst case scenario, of course, but still, it is a possibility that we still make lower lows. For now, I think under the current circumstances, fundamentally, I think this bottom right here at 60,000 will hold. But I'll keep you updated on that, of course. Now, if we talk about the fundamentals right now regarding crypto, Phantom is also looking quite interesting, by the way. If we look at the fundamentals, you can see the Russell 2000 actually closed relatively bullish here, which is great. Gold is still consolidating here. The S&P is very bullish again, is going for those all-time highs. And the dollar strength index obviously was bullish after yesterday we got a lower than expected unemployment rate. But it actually has found resistance so far. So this is also, well, it's not great because a bearish dollar strength index is what we need, but fundamentally it is looking better. It just very much depends on how the situation escalates or how it develops. Because for now, technically, what I would say is that I think it's most likely that in the weekend we're probably not going to break out. So we'll find some resistance, but that from this area right here between 62,500 and 61,000, which we are in, I would say at this moment, if you look at the development and the momentum coming in, combined with the fundamentals, I would say something like this is most likely. And then you have the monthly opening at 63,500, so that's going to be an important key level to watch after 62,400. But for now, I would say this is what I would expect. And it seems like we're also going to get some movement in the weekend. So could be interesting as well. But I'll cover some altcoins in my next few videos. I'll cover some altcoins in my middle of the day market update later today. So if you're interested in that, check those out. For now, that's what I think you need to know about Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.